The Reliant Foundation is not just a funder. When they agree to work with a nonprofit, they become a partner. Hi, I'm Laura Terzigny, Vice President of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Metro West. The Reliant Foundation last year invested a one-time grant for our Smart Girls program. We're looking at the mental and emotional wellness of kids. Do they know how to eat properly? Do they know how to make these decisions for themselves? Last year, the Smart Girls program served 20 girls. They are having better conversations. They're making better choices. And as they get a little older, they're acting as mentors to the younger members. So sure, 20 kids went through the program, but so many more kids are benefiting from a program like Smart Girls. By setting these girls up for success at such a young age, they're building their habits. They're looking forward to their future, and they know what they need to do to move forward. None of that happens without partners like the Reliant Foundation. Because the Reliant Foundation invested in the Smart Girls program, we were able to have the proper staffing, have the proper facility, have the proper resources to make sure that this program was implemented and successful. You know, these kids are our future. If we want things to change in our communities and in our world, it starts with them.
Hi, my name is Sean Hayden. I'm the Vice President at Gamma. We're the parent organization of Roots at Evergreen Grove. It's an outpatient youth program for young people struggling with mental health and substance use. We deliver clinical care, but in an alternative setting. So as opposed to sitting on a therapist's couch, a young person might come here, work with their therapist, but they're doing it while they're caring for animals, doing barn works, hiking in our 100-acre forest. We're trying to make therapy not feel like therapy. But we see people, they get dropped off here, and they're dropped off with this message of nothing's gonna work. And we bring them to this farm, to this unique location and this unique way of delivering this service, and we see people change. Our working relationship with Reliant is amazing. They really saved us in this first year by letting us hire more clinicians for the program. One of my favorite things about working with the Reliant Foundation is this. They have the foresight and I'd say the gumption to fund providers who are out there trying to innovate. They're quick to respond. They're real people. They live in our community. They come to the program. They want to see where their money's being invested. They want to make sure we're being an effective recipient of their funding. You know, these issues we're tackling, mental health, substance use, these are community issues. But please remember, people get better every day.
My name is Anthony Bizzato. I am president and co-founder of Revive of the USA, Inc., and we are a team of addiction recovery fitness specialists. You know, to get out of your head and get into your body for an hour, it's a beautiful thing to see, and it's very rewarding to see somebody smile that hasn't smiled in maybe weeks or months. It's healing, it's human restoration, it's clinical, and that's the way we want to keep it, and that's the direction we want to keep going, and we could not do that without the Reliant Foundation. This past year in 2022, they have supported 3 new facilities, 1 new coach, and help us jumpstart a 4th facility. Our relationship and partnership with the Reliant Foundation and Kelsa has been astronomical as far as helping us, because without them, we would not be able to expand or hire coaches. These coaches potentially reach, you know, at least 100 clients a week. The Reliant Foundation has created that for us. You know, we wouldn't be in these facilities if it wasn't for them. We wouldn't be sustainable if it wasn't for them. To have somebody advocate and continuously support and give us direction and mentorship, I mean, you can't put a price on it. It's invaluable.
If you're a donor to the Reliant Foundation, please know that the work you're doing is saving lives.
Everything that you give to the foundation, you are giving that directly to the kids who we serve in Hudson, Marlboro, and Framingham.
They give the little guys a shot, and that's big because sometimes it's the little guys that make the biggest impact. To know that they're behind us gives me so much hope.